Hello everyone, I welcome you all for today's session. I'm here again with another video, and today we are going to do a poem named Trees. The name of the poem is very simple to understand, trees. In one way or the other, we all are connected with trees. How? Wherever we go, whenever we are in a mood of entertainment, enjoyment, and that too in some nice place, or we prefer scenic beauty, what we generally do, and where we go. Yes, we all prefer to be very close to nature. And then if we talk about hill stations, we all know that generally people, what they do, whenever they plan for a vacation during summer season, so what is their preference? Hill stations. And if we talk about Uttarakhand, Dehradun, then the nearest place or hill station is Mussoorie. And Mussoorie is famous. We all know why. People from different states, not just from states, even from other places, they prefer to visit Mussoorie. Mussoorie is known as Queen of Hills. Why? Whenever we go to Mussoorie, we enjoy the scenic beauty, beautiful mountains, hills, and in a way, if we talk about present scenario, so much hustle bustle going all around, and especially in metropolitan cities, pollution is there, overcrowded things. We want peace, and then we feel like going close to nature. And then better option, going to some hill station and spending time with our closed ones. So here, in this poem, Trees, we are going to know in detail advantages of trees, how trees are valuable, what is the importance of trees. In each and every line of this poem, we'll get to know how trees are useful to us. So this poem, Trees, written by Shirley Bower. So we'll start the poem. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in, trees are to swing swings on. So now the very first line, trees are for birds. Now how trees are useful for birds? We know that birds, what they do? They make nest on trees. Not just nest on trees, they also get food from trees. That is why the poet says trees are for birds. So if we list advantages, so we can write food, shelter, for birds. The next line, trees are for children. Now how trees are connected with children? Because what children do when they play, they enjoy near trees. How? We'll come in to know more about it in next lines, where it is described that what type of games children play with trees. And it is given that trees are used to make tree houses. This shows that trees can also be useful for house making. Trees are to swing swings on. In India, which is famous for so many festivals, we celebrate Teej. These festivals when we celebrate, so what women of India, they do? They have swings on these trees. Not just women, even children, they have swings on trees and they play. They enjoy in the company of trees. So then, for children, what they do? They swing. They also play. We'll come to know about that game in next line. But here we'll mention that children, they swing on swings with the help of these trees. Then trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Now we all know that whenever we enjoy the cool breeze, we enjoy the wind that blows, how it is possible? It is possible because of trees only. And then in the next line, the poet mentions about a game, hide and seek. You all must have enjoyed this game in your childhood. So children, they play hide and seek. Where the trees are the main participants. Let us read the next line. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Now for elders. We described about birds, how they are connected with trees. Then we explained about the games and how children, they get connected with trees. Now if we talk about elders, what they do? These elders, they have their tea parties under the shade of trees. And then when these small children, they fly kites, these kites, they are caught in the trees. So another way this tree is used. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. These two lines are very important in this poem because in the first line, the poet says trees are to make cool shade in summer. We all know when we are in summer season, what happens? We can't tolerate the heat of the sun, and at that time also trees are very useful because these trees, they provide us shade, and then we can protect ourselves from the heat of the sun. But if we talk about winter season, then what happens? During winter seasons, in that season there are no leaves on the trees. Why? Because at that time we don't require the shade. What we want? We want the heat of the sun. That is why during winter, no shade available. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Now, another important thing about trees. But let me mention, as I have already described about elders, what they do. They have their tea parties. Then for everyone, we get shade in winter. Do you think in winter? No, shade in summer. As I explained you, these two lines are very important in this poem. So we need shade in winter and no shade in no shade in winter. Why so? As I explained you that during summer season we need shade to protect ourselves from the heat of the sun. But during winter we don't require any shade. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. trees are to chop down and call timber. Yes, we all know that we get fruits, vegetables, crops, grains, everything from plants, from trees. So, trees are actually the source of our food. So, what else we get from trees? Fruits, vegetables, and the list is endless. And then trees are also used for furniture. That is why it is mentioned here, timber. The wood of the trees can be used to make, there is a big variety of furnitures we have these days in our homes, all possible because of trees. Trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make fathers say, what a lot of trees to rake this fall. Now these last 4 lines of this poem were mothers, they say that what a beautiful picture. Why so? Because when we were studying, even in the present scenario also, we can see that students, when they make a beautiful picture, the main thing, what they draw, a tree, sometimes a scenery with mountains, trees. So that is why this is also mentioned here that trees can be painted. A child can draw a beautiful scenery. Why? Because of these trees only. And then fathers, they say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. In a way, the poet wants to emphasize that even the leaves, the dead leaves of a tree can be used. So now here you can see that there are so many things, although the poet tried to include all important items, all important things that we get from trees. So trees also used to have a lovely picture. We have sceneries and then even dead leaves. Dead leaves are also used. So now we have a complete list, so many things that we get from trees, and this is highlighted in this poem, Trees. And why we have this poem here in this book, so that we all should know that how important trees are to human beings. So it is our duty, our responsibility to take care of trees and also plant a tree. Just imagine if everyone will plant one tree, so many things we can get from a single tree. And this is required these days if we want healthy environment, then it is our duty to plant more and more trees. This is all for today. Thank you so much. Have a good day.